I broke down and bought a new mold. This is a little more sturdy, it looks like. It's not perfect. You can see it looks like wood grain. I am not happy with this mold either, guys. I don't know what to do. I want some dominoes. I have gifts to make. I'm using Tea Expert. I have no idea. This was like 16 bucks. It's only 8 ounces, so you can't make too much with it. That's a setback. Look at my measuring cup and my gloves. And I'm going to use, this is a mica powder. I can't remember what the name of it is, but it looked in the picture, there's no name on it, sorry guys. It's gorgeous. It reminds me of Tiffany blue. It looked exactly like Tiffany blue in the picture on my computer. But when I get it now, it looks a little bit dark. So I'm going to add a little bit of Star White Shimmer. This is a casting resin. Okay, I've got almost 10 ounces here. I've got my Vornado running, so once I get this mixed up and it's clear, I'm going to set it in front of that for just a few minutes to see if it pops any bubbles. This is almost 300 milliliters. Actually, yeah, just almost 300 milliliters. Lots of bubbles. I probably stirred a little too fast, but we'll set it in front of the Vornado. I don't do this normally, guys. I always do just a little bit of resin and then add my pigment powders, but we're going to give this a shot. Got almost a violet interference in it. What do you think, guys? Does that look like it's coming across as a Tiffany blue? Okay, I'm going to try a marker and a baby wipe. That didn't work. So now I will try a paper towel with some alcohol on it. So that's not working either. It's not dark enough. So I guess what I'll have to do is get some enamel paint. Okay, I've got some Testors enamel paint. It is made, well, I get these at Fleet Farm. I got a whole set of them. So I'm going to try this dental pick. See if I can get a delicate line in here. So the original mold that I ripped, don't buy it. The line is too thin. It's just annoying here. This looks like it's going to work. I just have to clean it as I go. Okay, these are dry. These are not dry. Oh, you can see there's, well, let's see. Let me see if I can find a bad one. Here. See that? Normally I would say it's not fixable, but I've got some stuff that I think will work. Let's look at our new dominoes. And this was, I had leftover resin, and it was almost, I see air bubble. It was almost not easy to pour even. It was getting really thick. So I just threw it in this mold here. And I'm sorry guys, I am just very analytical about stuff like this. I hate those air bubbles. I hate the grain lines because I didn't want them. I mean, if I wanted them, this is a super mold. Just not, I can't be pleased, can I? I poured just enough into the mold though that I don't have a lip, so that's a good thing. I don't have to do any trimming on the back. I'm going to fill these with a Star White shimmer. So I'll be back when that's done. Okay, these are not cured, but here they are. How do I say this without sounding really negative and bitchy? It is what it is. If you want a mold that's got texture or flaws, let's just be real here. If you want a mold that's got flaws in it, you can order this mold. I got it off of Amazon. The first mold, don't buy. That was a waste of money. Making your own mold out of your own dominoes. Instead of wasting an entire kit or almost an entire kit, just take one of your dominoes, build a frame around it like I did with the foam core and hot glue. Tape, put some tape on the bottom, sticky side up. Boy, my hands are filthy. And just stick the domino down, face up, pour your silicone into it, and see if you get this. I hate to throw this away. Maybe I can chop it up into, really fine bits and use it as a filler for something. Who knows? But I can't throw it away. It's just, it was a lot of money. When you buy those kits, I think they're like $30, $39, $30 or $40, whatever. So I learned that. I learned this is good, but it doesn't, it has lots of air bubbles. Resin does that. Maybe it's my fault. I don't know. I'm going to stick with the epoxy resin store, I guess, because they are the best that I've found. This doesn't have any smell. I noticed that. It is a casting resin, so I was able to cast this thing here, and it is, a good 1.5 to 2 inches from here to here. And I didn't have any issues with it. Didn't overheat, is what I'm saying. And it also mixes up in little batches. I mixed up a 1/2 teaspoon of each, and I used that for the white stuff here. And I have all of this left over. So you could just do a quarter teaspoon of each and still have tons left over. I'm going to show you how to polish in another video because this is so long I don't know how I'm going to edit it down to like 15 to 20 minutes. So let's bring these back over so you can see the green. Whoops, I lost the green one. It's on the table way over there. I don't think I can reach it. These dominoes are thicker than these. So the mold was deeper on this one. But I can't use that mold. It's gone. I mean, I was ripped in half. I love dominoes. It's a fun game. I've got my 2 gifts for Christmas. Ay, failure after failure, guys. I'm not happy with this video, but it's a learning experience. We are all learning together, and I want to share my failures along with my happy successes. In the description, I will go get the links for these 2 molds if you want them. I will get the link for the silicone kit that I used, and that one is going to be a recommendation because it is a really good. I've tried 4 different kinds now, and out of all 4, that one was the best. I like the texture of the mold, the flexibility of the mold, the resiliency of it. So yeah, I will recommend that. I'll give a link to this as well so you guys can try it if you're on a budget. I think it was $16 for 2 8-ounce bottles. So you're gonna get 2 cups worth. The work time, it says 30 to 40 minutes right here. And that's pretty accurate. Here it says max cast size is 6 ounces. So that's why that worked, because there isn't 6 ounces there. That's a good thing to know. Maybe I should read this kind of stuff before I use it. I'm sorry, guys. I never read instructions. Never read them. Unless I have trouble. Okay. Thanks for sticking with me, guys. This has been a real beast. I'm not, I'm pretty good at making molds, but apparently not this time. I'm almost depressed. I don't want to upload this video. I don't even want to edit it, but I've got to, right? Okay. We'll see you next time. Love you.